Oh, we are having some homemade chicken shawarma. Doesn't that look delicious? We have a Greek salad right here, some sweet peppers from our garden, lemon wedges, some tzatziki sauce, some low carb flatbreads. These are cut the carb flatbreads, my absolute favorite. And we are drinking raspberry lemonade flavored water today. Ooh wee. Who is ready for this mother flipping food? Didn't that look delicious? What's up, Yummybites? Welcome back to another episode of Cooking Keto with Yummybites. Y'all, I'm so freaking excited. Y'all, we are cooking for the very first time chicken shawarma. Chicken shawarma, okay? I have the hardest time trying to pronounce that word, y'all, I'm sorry. But they usually put it in pitas, or they're gonna do it like me and put it on a skewer. So that's what we're doing, making chicken shawarma skewers, okay? And we have like a little salad. Y'all will see what's going on, okay? So just stay tuned. Anyway, who is ready for this mother flipping recipe? Y'all, I'm super excited. Let's do it. All right, are y'all ready to get into it? So we're gonna take some skinless, boneless chicken thighs, okay? Now, mine are boneless, so I wanted to show those of you who are just like me, who don't have the boneless ones, how to get this bone out. Because I was like, I wasn't real sure. I mean, I literally just figured it out on my own, so I'm just cutting around the top part of where I found the bone. You need a sharp knife. And then I'm just cutting and then going down. So finally got it cut away. And then I'm just gonna scrape the bone until all the meat comes off. Make sure you scrape all the meat off. If you left some, do that. So that's how you do that. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest. This one's not as easy as the other ones. Okay, there we go. Then you're gonna go in and cut these up into chunks, okay? Because we're gonna put these onto a skewer after we season them. And I'm just trying to make sure that this is even gonna be enough for me. And I'm sure it is. Okay. Okay, yeah, this is gonna be enough chicken. All right, y'all, so I threw everything into a bowl, and to this, we are going to add some plain Greek yogurt. It could be the non-fat kind if you want it to be, but you need some Greek non-fat, some Greek plain yogurt. You're gonna need like 2 spoonfuls. Then you're gonna go in with some lemon pepper. And I'm just eyeballing this seasoning. I like lots of lemon pepper because I'm a lemon pepper girl. And this lemon pepper in particular is the best lemon pepper I have ever tried. It's on my Amazon storefront under pantry. Then we're gonna go in with some chili powder. Just like that. Then we're gonna go in with some smoked paprika. Then some black pepper. Then you're gonna go in with some lemon zest. I have the hardest time doing this, I swear. If you're a lemon lover, add more. If not, just add a little. This lemon zest is going to be very fragrant. In this dish. And make sure you're just getting the skin, not that white part, because it's very bitter. And then go on the back of this and just get the rest. Then we're gonna go in and just mix all of this up. And if you wanna add more seasonings, you can. I think I wanna add some more smoked paprika. And I also think I want to add some salt. Let me just mix all of that up. So, and we're gonna go get our skewers and put this to the side. So to this pico de gallo, we're gonna make a little Greek salad, y'all, like a low budget one. We're gonna cut up some cucumbers in here. This is gonna be our little side salad that we're gonna eat with our chicken and our pita bread. So I'm just gonna add some cucumbers. gosh, we're gonna put some dill weed in here. I love this stuff, it's so good. And I like a lot. And then we're gonna add a little bit of this rice vinegar. Ooh, just a little bit. It's gonna turn that flavor up. Now, I don't know what this is gonna taste like, y'all, but I have a feeling it's gonna be delicious. And then we're just gonna mix this up. Just mix it on up. And you can either leave this out or put it back in the refrigerator. But you already have your red onions in here, your tomatoes. And the only thing that is not supposed to be in this salad is the cilantro, but how could that hurt? We got jalapenos in here too. Oh, it smells incredible already. All right, so let's go ahead and prepare our skewers. We're gonna use these wooden skewers. I got these just from a regular grocery store, and you're gonna need a rack to cook your chicken skewers on. So we're just gonna go through and skewer the chicken pieces on here. And honestly, you can put veggies on here if you like. I'm not gonna be doing that today. And I'm just gonna put as many as it can take until it gets like right about there. Was that like a half an inch or inch? No, it's a half an inch. And then we're gonna just lay them on the rack. Y'all be very careful with these skewers because you can prick yourself. I love how the marinade stays on there. Preheat your oven to 375 because we're gonna cook these for 15 to 18 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna turn these this way. Uh-oh, let's see, I think, I don't think I have enough for another one. So we're gonna put the rest of this chicken on one of these. All right, so what we're gonna do is place these in the oven, like I said, at 375 for 15 to 18 minutes. Oh, and we're gonna add some melted butter on top of these before they go in the oven. All right, so I melted some butter, and we're just going to take the butter and just pat it on the chicken. Now we're gonna do this when they come out of the oven also, so make sure you wash this and get some more butter, because you can't use this because it's gonna cross-contaminate. So I'm just gonna pour the rest of that on there. And let's get to it. All right, y'all, so we are about to take some of these cut-to-carb flatbreads, and we're just gonna rip them apart or just make them into whatever shape you wanna make them. And we're gonna fry them, and this is what we're gonna use to eat with our chicken and our salad and our dips, okay? Just like this. But you can put them in the prettier shapes if you would like. You can cut these, you can rip them. And I kind of want my shape to be in these big squares, like that, okay? You can get scissors, like squares like this, okay? This is what we're gonna be frying. I'm gonna be frying these because these are like leftovers, so, from other times. I'm definitely using these. Okay, I'm not sure how many I will need. Hopefully this will be enough. We're gonna throw all these in some avocado oil. Let's get it. All right, I believe the oil is hot, so we're gonna just go in. We're just gonna lay them in there. They don't need to be any type of shape, but these are gonna come out crunchy though, so they're not gonna be like the regular flatbread that's pliable. So you flip them on the other side. Get the other side. And you want these to be flat. Okay, and pretty much this is it. And you can put some garlic butter, brush some garlic butter on these if you'd like. I'm gonna pass on that. Okay. And make sure they're just brown. You don't want them any darker than brown. Light brown, I mean. You know what I mean. So I'm gonna take these out. I'm just putting mine on a paper towel, but you could put yours on like a rack. while our kebabs, our chicken skewers are cooking, we're gonna go ahead and plate our salad. This is my version of a Greek salad. So we're gonna put this right here. Yeah, it smells so good. Y'all should try it, honestly. It's a great way to use some leftover pico. Pico de gallo. God, this is gonna be good. I want a lot of salad. And it's a really beautiful color too. So I guess you would call this Mediterranean food. How exciting. I want her to be filled to the rim. There we go. And honestly, you're gonna wanna put some feta in here. So when you first make it, put the feta in here. It might be too late for me. But the feta in here is gonna be delicious. So I'm just gonna put it right on top. That's what we'll do. And then we're gonna go ahead and go in with some tzatziki sauce. You can add whatever kind of sauce that you want to yours, but I like this sauce. I wish I had more, because I don't know if this is gonna be enough. Yum. Yeah, I want every bit of this sauce off of this spoon. All right, so we have some lemon wedges here. You can use lime if you like. And we also have some sweet peppers from my garden. And you can add whatever kind of veggies that you want to your plate. This is what it looks like when it comes straight out the oven. We're gonna go ahead and put our cauliflower rice down. This is the roasted garlic cauliflower rice. My first time trying this one. Not as fluffy as the other brand that I use, but it'll do. All right, so I went ahead and melted some butter, just a little bit of butter. And we're gonna go ahead and take our chicken shawarma skewers and place them right on top of the rice. Just like that. And then we're gonna take some of this butter and we're just gonna paint them with the butter. And you could put like some parsley on top if you'd like, but I like it just like this. That looks delicious. Now, who wants a yummy bite? Doesn't that look amazing? Are y'all ready to eat? Because I am. Y'all make sure y'all meet me over at YUMMYBITESTV. Okay, I'm gonna have everything linked in the description box under everything YUMMYBITES TV. And yes, y'all, doesn't this look delicious? I cannot wait. I just know it's gonna be good. Make sure y'all, before y'all go, thumbs up this video, subscribe if you haven't already, share my videos everywhere, and comment how delicious this looks. And let me know, have you ever made chicken shawarma? Okay, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.